Hello everybody, welcome back to Pixie Woo. I don't know what I'm going to do today. I had a few ideas when I was going to bed last night. I was like, oh, what shall I do tomorrow for a video? And I'm just going to have a little bit of a play really. Start off with, I've already moisturised my skin. So I'm going to use Studio Tech. I've got an NW20 here. I might mix a little bit of an NC with it because sometimes I think they look better mixed together. Right, a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I've got an NC20 and an NW30. I'm just going to mix the two together. I tend to mix quite often just because I can't ever be bothered to find the right colour. Get a little bit of pure white. This is Chromaline, so it's only available in a pro store. So I've got this red pigment from Makeup Forever. This one is Star Powder 590949, and I'm going to pop a little bit on a petri dish and then add a tiny bit of water to it to make it into a paste. I'm going to paint that on my eye. And I'm going to go right the way across the eye. I like it not so perfect actually, so I'm just going to make the ends a bit feathered. Looks better. Let's do that on the top as well. Yeah, it's way better. Okay, let's add some white. You can probably see what it's going to be now. The white that I've got is Pure White Chromaline from MAC. I'm just using a Louise Young brush. I need to coat this because the white never comes out super strong. Very tricky. Right, I think I will go in with a little bit of blue and then put the red over the top. Now for the blue I have got Makeup Forever Aqua Cream in 20. Now I am going to go back over the colours, so this doesn't need to be completely perfect. Could wear this to Wimbledon. Okay, let's tidy it up a bit. It's starting to take shape there now. Tidy that red back over the top. I'm going to put some black mascara on. You don't have to use black. You can use coloured if you want. I want my lashes to show up, so I'm going to use black. I'm going to powder, and I've got Chanel 20 Clear powder. This is actually MAC Shade Star powder, which I'm just going to put down the back of the cheeks. Not much, just to bring out a teeny bit of shape. I've got Brick Lip Liner from MAC. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of Ruby Woo inside, just to make that even redder. So there's the eyes and the lips. I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of white face and body, a little bit of Micronized Airbrush Formula in blue, and a little bit in red. And I'm going to mix them with the MAC gloss. So I want to just put them I want it to just look like I'm crying. The British flag. You can do it with yours. So I'm going to put red in the middle. The reason I use the gloss, because it stops it moving so much. Let's do the white. So that's the end of my, it's a bit wacky really, a bit scary, but also fun. Give it a go with your flag. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed that, people. Bye bye.